Hello, creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to repurpose a dollar store pizza pan into a gorgeous mirror. I will be showcasing two different styles and would love it if you could let me know in the comments section which style of mirror you prefer. To begin, I will show you the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all the materials are from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. We will need one large pizza pan and one round mirror that is slightly smaller than the pizza pan. We will also need two of these mirrors with a stylish frame. To glam up our mirror, we will need a sheet of silver glitter contact paper, some S-hooks like these ones I found during the Christmas holidays, a couple of strings of silver beaded necklace, and some silver rhinestone ribbon, which I purchased in bulk from Amazon. To amp up the glam factor, we will need 8 clear gems. Dollarama has them in sticker format, but I happen to have some leftover loose ones I previously purchased in bulk from Alibaba. To help us with today's project, we will need some acrylic silver metallic paint, an X-Acto knife, some clear tacky glue, and our handy dandy hot glue gun. Mine was purchased from Amazon. The first step is to turn over the pizza pan. Then take the plain round mirror and remove the frame. Set aside the frame for a future craft project. Then take the cardboard backing that came with the mirror and apply some Fix-All and hot glue to the back. Then place the cardboard backing to the back side of the pizza pan. When placing the cardboard backing, place it to the back of the pizza pan so that the hook is towards the top part. This will allow us to easily hang the mirror to the wall later. Once the cardboard backing is secured in place, turn the pizza pan over and then cut to size a sheet of silver glitter contact paper. Next, turn the sheet of glitter paper upside down and place it on top of the pizza pan. Using your fingers, gently push down to form the shape of a circle to conform with where the pizza pan dips. Then use a pencil to trace out the shape of the circle and cut the circle out. Don't be too worried about being precise with the circle. You want the circle to be big enough to cover 99% of the pizza pan. I'll explain later why that is. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once the circle is cut out, remove the backing from the contact paper. Slowly lay the contact paper into the center of the pizza pan. The contact paper is pretty forgiving, so if your contact paper was placed offside, you can always remove it and try again until you are satisfied. Make sure while you place the contact paper onto the pizza pan that you are gently smoothing out any air bubbles. You can do that with your fingers. Simply apply gentle pressure to where the air bubbles are to squeeze them out. And as you can see here, it took me a few tries before I could get the contact paper positioning correct on the pizza pan. Take your time and don't rush it. Just be a little patient and your efforts will pay off. And this is what the pan should look like so far. As you can see, the edges are not perfect, and we do have some gaps here and there. But like I said before, we don't need to be precise because we are going to cover those edges and gaps with some beautiful rhinestone ribbon. Using a hot glue gun, apply small dollops of glue in small sections along the back of the ribbon. Then, gently adhere the ribbon to the pan, ensuring the edges and gaps are covered. Then repeat the same steps to apply more ribbon to the outer rim of the pizza pan as well. Next, continue once again with using hot glue to apply a string of silver beaded necklace between where the two ribbons meet all around the pizza pan. Next, you can use either hot glue or for a longer lasting, more secure hold, you can also opt to use Fix-All to adhere the round mirror down onto the center of the pizza pan. Make sure that it is centered correctly. Then, once again, apply small dollops of glue all around the outer edge of the mirror and then lay down the silver beaded necklace to conform with the shape of the mirror. And here is what our pizza pan mirror looks like so far. But we're not done yet. We are going to use our X-Acto knife and carefully remove sections of this mirror's frame. Take your time for this step and be careful when using the X-Acto knife. We will need 8 of these pieces in total. And if you make a mistake while cutting the frame, save any pieces that fall off, as it will be very easy to glue the small pieces back into place with just a little bit of hot glue. You can see here I have quite a few little pieces that I will need to glue back on, but when I'm done you won't even be able to notice where the pieces were glued together. The next step is to paint the 8 pieces that we just cut out. I have chosen some acrylic metallic silver paint. It will take at least 3 or 4 generous coats until you have full coverage. Here is what the painted pieces should look like when you're done painting them. Take one piece from the pile and adhere it around the edge of the pizza pan. For this step, we will use both Fix-All and hot glue. The Fix-All will provide a longer, more secure hold, and the hot glue will provide quick hold so we don't have to wait. And here is what mirror style number 1 looks like. Do you like just the one piece on the mirror? I think it looks quite elegant and stylish as it is, but at the same time, I have another idea to bling it out more. For mirror style number 2, we will start by adhering the remaining 7 frame pieces all around the pizza pan to form a new frame for the pizza pan mirror. This process will be a bit tedious as we will be using both hot glue and Fix-All to ensure a secure, long-lasting, but quick hold for each piece. Once all the pieces are secured in place, it is time to add the finishing touches to our second mirror. First, we will adhere several S-hooks onto the pizza pan where the silver glitter contact paper is exposed. This will add some unique and interesting design element to our mirror. Be sure to space out the S-hooks evenly and maintain a consistent pattern. You will notice for this step I have opted to use some clear tacky glue, which allows me time to make any adjustments to the S-hooks before the glue starts to cure. Here's the mirror with the S-hooks glued down. It looks very beautiful, but I still think it could use some additional bling. So I will add a piece of clear acrylic gem to each of the 8 frame pieces. And here is the final look for our Glam mirror style number 2. Please comment down below and let me know which mirror you prefer, the more simple first one or the full-on glammed out version of the second one. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.